Tired of jumping through hoops to update your payout info when using Docusign integrated payment platforms? Then let's dive right in. First, access your account dashboard on the platform you use that integrates with Docusign for payments. Usually, you can find this by logging in with your username and password. Next, navigate to your profile or account settings. Look for options like payment information, payout details, or something similar. The exact wording will depend on the platform. Once you're in your payment settings, locate the button or link to edit payment method or change payout information. Click on this to proceed. Now, you'll be presented with a form. Carefully enter your updated payment information. This may include your bank account number, routing number, or new credit card details. Double-check everything for accuracy. You may be prompted to sign a Docusign document to authorize the change. This adds an extra layer of security. Review the document carefully before signing. After signing, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout information has been successfully updated, and that's it. You've successfully changed your payout details and integrated them with Docusign. Now you can get back to closing deals and receiving payments without any hassle. Be sure to check your platform's help documentation or contact their support team if you encounter any issues along the way.